I'd like to welcome Eli to the video. Thank you very much for sitting in. You have been smoking for quite a while, right?
That's correct.
About how many years?
It's about 15 years.
And would like to quit at this point?
Yes, I would.
Do me a favor, we're going to go through the thought field therapy algorithm for smoking. Can you rate on a scale of 0 to 10 just how much you would like to have a cigarette right now?
I would rate myself at about a 9.
Okay. What I'm going to ask you to do is to think about having a cigarette, and I want you to tap underneath the eye about 7 times for me. Do me a favor, a little bit closer to the nose, kind of in the center. There you go. Very good. Now if you could do underneath the arm and on the collarbone. Take a nice deep breath. And if you could rate on a scale of 0 to 10 where you are in terms of wanting a cigarette right now.
I would rate myself about a 6 or 7.
Okay. What I'm going to ask you to do now is called the 9 Gamut series. I would like you to hold your fist out. And right between the small finger and the ring finger on the knuckle, I want you to tap and look straight ahead. And think about how much you would like to have a cigarette. And then close your eyes. Continue thinking about that. Open your eyes. With the chin set, look down to the left, and down to the right. Open your eyes again. Slowly, without moving your chin, twirl your eyes in one full circle in one direction. And then again in the opposite direction. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hum. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And take a deep breath. And a scale of 0 to 10, where are you?
I rate myself at about a 3.
Very good. Now, if it was only 0 or 1 that the progress was, we'd have to do work for a paradoxical reversal, but that's not happening, so we can continue on. What I want you to do now is to repeat the algorithm. So if you could tap under the eye, thinking of how much you want to smoke, and under the arm, and the collarbone. Take a nice deep breath. And on a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you want to smoke?
I have no desire for a cigarette.
Perfect. Eli, what we're going to do now is the floor to sky eye roll. So what I want you to do is to tap that 9 Gamut point. I want you to think about the smoking and to very gradually, without moving your chin, I want you to lower your eyes to the floor and very slowly allow the eyes to rise back in the sockets, going all the way as far up in the sockets as they can. And close your eyes and take a deep breath. And that'll do it. Just a nice, simple grounding technique. And you can stop tapping. Thank you.